Social media can act as a window for your products and services. Social media marketing can have a great impact on growing your brand. Hello everyone, welcome to this tutorial on social media marketing by IPSR. In this video, we'll be covering some of the important statistics related to social media marketing. First, we will look into what is social media marketing and then we'll see why you should learn this course. Now, what is social media marketing? Social media marketing is simply just marketing your business on social medias. We have YouTube ads, Facebook ads, we have Instagram story ads. It's just promoting a product or service on social media. Anybody can do this course. You really don't need any particular qualification for doing this course. If you are someone who would like to do something creative and if you like to take this as your passion, the social media marketing course is the right choice for you. Any industry that you take, let it be an offline industry or an online industry, the social media marketing has a special concentration on any industry that you may take. We will be able to reach our products and services that we offer to our potential customers through this social media marketing. And in this digital era, it is a necessity for all business owners to know about this social media marketing technology. Now let us look into who use social media and why people use social media. Most of the people use social medias mainly for social networking. Apart from that, we have corporates and business people who use social media for their marketing and promotional activities. There are also some small business owners who use social medias like Facebook and Instagram for their business promotions. And running ads in these social medias are very cost effective for them and you will get wonderful results within no time. There are also a lot of people who sell their products only through social media without a website or an online store and generate revenue from these social media. Students are also having a lot of opportunities through which they can earn money through social medias like blogging, microblogging, vlogging, social media influence, affiliate marketing, etc. We'll be discussing about all these in detail in this particular video. There are people who use social media as a full-time career option as well. This is your type of job if you have a passion of working with social media and finding innovative ways to connect with people. Social media marketing is a growing career option in this digital era, and with the demand for social media marketers, there are plenty of opportunities out there for those who are looking to get into this field. Globally, companies spend around $300 billion for online promotion. With these statistics, it is so clear that the online advertising has become a popular way for brands to reach and engage their audience. This is also a clear indication that if you want to remain competitive, you will need to start advertising online as well. Now we'll look into how much money does bloggers and social media influencers make. On an average, bloggers make somewhere around $175 to $5,000 per post. The same way, YouTubers earn somewhere around $500 to $5,000 per video, and influencers they make between $75 to $3,000 per image. Now, how do they make money out of blogging? For that, first you need to find your niche area and then you can start writing articles on it. And after writing articles on your website, you can put ads on your website. You can partner with Amazon, Flipkart, or any e-commerce portals, or if yours is a travel website, you can partner with Yatra, or you can partner with Google and put Google ads on your website. And when people come to your blog and when they click on that particular ad, then Google might pay us money or Amazon might pay us money. It can be 2 rupees, 20 rupees or 2000 rupees. It can be per click or it can be per sale. Now, how do people make money out of YouTube? For that, first you can start a YouTube channel. Then you can start posting videos on your channel, and once you reach the monetization criteria on YouTube, You can put ads on your channel and start making money out of it. Apart from that, you can partner with some affiliate sites and give the links on YouTube description under your video, and when someone click on that link and purchase a product, you can earn commission out of it. The same thing you can do with blogging as well. And now in the case of influencers, it is like you get paid to be on your phone. For those who don't know, a social media influencer is someone who uses their online reputation to advertise products or share opinions and experiences. Whether you are on YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, or Snapchat, brands have turned to social media influencers to get their messages across. So once you have followers, brand will approach you and they will pay you per post you put on your social media profiles. All big brands are actively using social media as a part of their marketing activity for their product or service promotions. Now let's see some of the big brands who are actively using social media. If we take globally, we have National Geographic with 133 million followers and Nike with 105 million followers. And in India, we have Netflix with 21.3 million followers and Nike India with 173k followers. And in Kerala, we have Byju's with 69.5k followers. Not only for brands, there are many opportunities for individuals to earn money through social media. You really don't need a product to make money through social media. You can go and promote someone else's product through social media through an affiliate link. Most of these e-commerce sites already have an affiliate program on their websites. All you have to do is sign up and use that link whenever you are talking about them on the social web. Now let me introduce you to some of the bloggers. First one, we have Ariana Huffington. She is one of the top blogger in the world and she earns around $1 billion through blogging. And now we have Amit Agarwal. He's a top blogger in India who earns $60,000 per month through blogging. There are a lot of people who earn a lot of money through YouTube. When you think of who could be the richest YouTuber, who do you think of? Probably not a kid, right? 8-year-old Ryan KG is the highest paid YouTuber who earned $26 million in a year through his YouTube channel, Ryan's World. He started unboxing toys on camera when he was just 3, and now he has expanded his media empire to include experiments and educational toys. Next we have Dr. Brajesh Georgian. He is the head of IPSR Jobs. Basically he is a soft skill trainer. Now he is a YouTuber and a columnist. He gives career informations through his YouTube channel Career Pathway. Now he have 2 lakh subscriptions and around 30 lakh plus viewers. Now let me introduce you to some of the influencers in the market. Mr. Pratham Singh, a 17-year-old Delhi boy. He is India's youngest social media influencer and he earns around 1 to 10 lakhs. Nano influencer is a term that is buzzing around these days. Nano influencers is a kind of what people consider anyone that has 1000 followers and under, or maybe like 900 to 1000 followers. Anyone who is having around 1000 followers can become a nano influencer. Now these are some of the influencers from Kerala. First we have Ammu, who's from Kochi. She is having 23,000 followers and she earns around 20,000 plus by being an influencer. Next we have Sunita. She is again from Kochi. She is having 25,000 followers. She earns around 30,000 plus per month. Next we have Anusha from Kottayam. She has 1,20,000 followers and she earns around 30,000 plus per month. And finally we have Maria from Kottayam. She is having around 40,000 followers and she earns around 15,000. Now when we look into the career opportunities of digital marketing specialist holds the topmost position among non-technical profile as a LinkedIn's 2020 Emerging Jobs report. As a digital marketer, You can do corporate jobs, you can do work from home jobs, you can do freelancer jobs, you can promote your own ancestral business. There are many opportunities out there in the market. Now, why IPSR? We have candidates from around 50 plus countries in the IPSR training division. All the campaigns and projects of IPSR are done through online marketing. We had a project called Educational Tourism Project, and all the products and all the services, whatever we are offering from IPSR, everything we have done through online marketing only. We have around 20 plus years of experience in this online marketing industry. We are following the internet marketing strategy for the past 20 years in IPSR for all of our services. Let it be IT services, learning services, placement services, for everything. The social media marketing and digital marketing courses from IPSR are designed and delivered by a team having 20 plus years of experience in the field of online marketing. And now, if you are worried about where to start, don't worry, IPSR makes it easy for you. We have both online and offline courses at IPSR, and during your training, we teach you the entire secrets of marketing through Google, Facebook, and more. We have social media marketing beginner course, then we have professional course, then we have digital marketing course, we have SEO. Along with that, we give internship as well, where you can work on live projects and get an exposure on what is happening in the industry. Now, about IPSR, we are a public limited IT company based in Kottayam. We have 6 branches in India and 1 in UK. With over 2 decades of corporate excellence, we are a complete IT service provider. We have software applications and products, we have training services, and we are a IT corporate consultancy as well. Are you a person who are looking for a job, or are you a person who want a career change, or are you a person who want to learn something new? Whatever it may be, IPSR have everything to offer. Then what are you waiting for? Start learning today.